Brothers and sisters, one of the Salaf rahmatullah alayh seen a man do this exactly in the salah. So he asked them, how many years have you been praying like this? He said, so many years. Now he said, if you were to meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with that prayer, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not accept it from you. Subhanallah. So the sunnah is exactly what I said earlier, and that is what you should follow. I see so many people, when they pray very fast. And subhanallah, this is actually breaking a pillar from the pillars of the salah, which is tranquility. The ulama, they call it, brothers and sisters, that prayer will not be accepted on the day of Yawm al-Qiyamah. So what you have to do, you need to pray with tuma'nina, tranquility. Brothers and sisters, look, you're standing in front of the kings of the kings, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we don't have the respect for Allah that we pray with tranquility. The joints are now going back to its original position. Alhamdulillah, it's very easy.